Have you ever wondered how your air conditioner actually produces cool air? The main component responsible for cooling your room is called the evaporator coil. In this video, we will understand what an evaporator coil is, how it works, and why it is so important in HVAC systems. What is an evaporator coil? An evaporator coil is a cooling component located inside the indoor unit of an air conditioner or air handling unit. Its main job is to absorb heat from indoor air and make the air cool and comfortable. It contains cold refrigerant that removes heat from the room air. Simply put, evaporator coil equals heat absorber. Where is the evaporator coil located? The evaporator coil is usually found inside the indoor unit of a split AC inside air handling units, AHU, near the air blower or fan. Warm room air passes over this coil during operation. How does an evaporator coil work? Step by step. Step 1. Refrigerant enters the coil. Low pressure cold refrigerant enters the evaporator coil from the expansion device. Step 2. Warm air passes over coil. The indoor fan blows warm room air across the evaporator coil. Step 3. Heat absorption. Refrigerant absorbs heat from the air and starts evaporating from liquid into gas. Step 4. Air becomes cool as heat is removed. The air temperature drops and cool air is supplied back into the room. Step 5. Refrigerant moves to compressor. The heated refrigerant gas then travels back to the compressor to repeat the cooling cycle. Why is the evaporator coil important? Without an evaporator coil, no heat removal happens, no cooling occurs. AC cannot work properly. It is one of the most important parts of the refrigeration cycle. Common evaporator coil problems. Some common issues include dirty coil, ice formation, refrigerant leakage, weak airflow, cooling reduction. Regular cleaning and maintenance improve efficiency and cooling performance. Conclusion: the evaporator coil plays a vital role in HVAC systems by absorbing indoor heat and producing cool air. Understanding its working helps technicians diagnose cooling problems easily.